So guys, today's question is, why are hydrophobic sols easily coagulated? So if you don't know about the hydrophobic sols, let me tell you what is a hydrophobic sols first. So guys, all the particles in hydrophobic sols are not solvated. Therefore, the weak force will be between dispersed phase and dispersed medium, and all the particles in hydrophobic sol are charged. So if we want to remove the charge from all the particles, we have to add electrolytes, so their charge will get neutralized. So when we add electrolytes and charge will get neutralized, the coagulation will take place. That's the reason why hydrophobic sols easily coagulated. So what is the right answer of this question is, so we have to write like, because these sols are stabilized due to the charge on the particle. If charge is removed by adding any suitable electrolyte, the particles tends to come closer. When particles come closer, it will form a aggregate and precipitates. That's why it will get easily coagulated. So you have to write that. So the particle tend to come closer and form aggregate or precipitate. Therefore, we can say hydrophobic sols get easily coagulated. When we add electrolyte, the particle will come closer and it will form aggregate and precipitate, and therefore hydrophobic sol get easily coagulated. This is the answer of this question. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Till then, bye bye.